Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've seen the today's market, then you know how Nifty and Bank Nifty reacted on this expiry. If you have seen the today's market, then Nifty ended up 58 points positive and Bank Nifty ended up 148 points positive. Well, in my last video, I told you that Bank Nifty is telling that I will go down. So it didn't go down, but it didn't move much up also. And if you see the Nifty, well, Nifty was indicating that I will go up. But again, if you have seen the today's market, then it has gone a little bit up, then it has come down. So in today's market, it was very much interesting because there was something which were pulling Nifty down, means whether it was a stock or whether it was a FIDI. What was that? Means which stock moved the market, whether FIIs are dominating or DIIs are dominating. This all analysis we are going to do in today's video. So first we'll be doing the analysis of the chart and we'll be finding out support and resistance. Here I have opened Nifty 50 chart with 15 minutes candle. Here you can see that the support is at 13,582. And where is resistance? Well, you cannot find out the resistance because there is no point where Nifty has touched multiple times and it has come down. So that's why there is no resistance. Why am I taking 15 minutes candle only? Because 15 minutes candles will give less false signal, or means you can say it will avoid majority of the false signal. And why I am taking only 15 minutes, not 10 minutes, 5 minutes? Because whenever data arrives from NSE server to your terminal or to NSE websites, it may take 3 to 10 minutes. Sometimes it takes even 15 minutes. So to be on the safer side, we are taking 15 minutes, not lesser than that. And why am I taking only 15 minutes, not 30 minutes, 1 hour or 1 day? Because I'm going to make the analysis of Nifty for tomorrow. Means I have to find out immediate support and resistance. So if I will take the higher candles, it means my support and resistance will be far away from the spot price that I don't want. That's why I'm taking the 15 minutes candle. So where you will be taking the resistance for this Nifty? If you want to take the Nifty's resistance, then definitely you should take it 300 to 400 points above. Why? Because Nifty weekly range is 300 to 400 points only. Now let's go to the Bank Nifty and do the analysis. If you see here, then here support is at 30,654 and resistance is at 30,934. Well, this resistance is not that much strong resistance. Here Bank Nifty has touched only twice to thrice. It means it is not strong resistance. It can be broken easily, but once it will break this resistance, definitely then Bank Nifty will move up. And you should put always stop loss in order to reduce the losses in case market goes against you. Now let's see which stock moved the market. Well, when I was doing the analysis, I come to know about this one stock only which moved the market, means which increased greater than 3%, and there was no stock which moved less than negative 3%. So there was this Divis Lab which increased 3.02%. And why did it increase? Well, after 3rd of November, it is continuously gaining with some retracement as well. So it is gaining in ideal form, means it is gaining, then taking some retracement, then gaining, then taking some retracement. So this is the case of Divis Lab. Why there is no stock which gained 3%? There is a case, means people are thinking that there is no stock where you can invest money, means the stock which is undervalued. So they are not finding any stock which is undervalued. In that case, what happens? Whoever is putting the money into the stocks, what they are thinking, okay, no stock is worth our money, and they are reducing their positions or they are reducing their investment. Means currently Nifty 50 stocks are trading almost all-time high, that you can say. So that's why Nifty didn't move much up today. Now let's go to the next and do the analysis and find out which are the upcoming meetings which are going to be held tomorrow. If you will see here, then these are the meetings which are going to be held tomorrow. On Friday, these meetings are going to be held. So if you are trading in stocks of this company, then definitely you should look out for this meeting news. If any positive news comes, definitely you are going to gain good profit. Or if bad news comes also, then also you can sell the stock. Now let's move to the events and find out which are the upcoming events which are going to be held in upcoming days. So if you see here, then these are the 3 events which are going to be held on 18th, means Monday. That is also after market hours. So no need to worry because there is not much of the events tomorrow. Now let's go and see Nifty and Bank Nifty move and VIX as well. If you see here, then VIX is 19.16. If VIX is less than 25, it means it is low VIX, means there is a less fear in the market. means less volatility in the market. In that case, you can sell options and make money without any major losses. Well, where Nifty ended? Nifty changed 58 points. It has made a high of 13,773.25 and low of 13,673.55. It has ended up at 13,740.70. If you see the Bank Nifty, well, Bank Nifty moved 148.65 points positively. It has made a high of 30,945.20 and low of 30,643.90, and it has ended up at 30,847.05 with 0.48% positive changed. Now let's move and do the analysis of open interest of Nifty, means total open interest. If you see here, more put has been sold if you compare it with the call, but still this difference is not huge. That means what? It is indicating that Nifty weekly picture is saying that Nifty will move up. It means Nifty is bullish for this week. Let's see what was today's scenario. Means total change in OI of next expiry will show what was today's scenario. I am not taking today's expiry because it is already ended. Then if we'll do the analysis of the today's expiry also, there will be of no meaning. So we'll be taking next expiry only. So if we'll taking the next expiry, it will be telling us the today's picture, as well as it will be indicating how investors and traders were thinking about the market for next trading session. More put has been sold if you compare it with the call. So what it indicates, that Nifty today's move was up, means it was increasing, and that's what happened in the market, but there was not much of the increment, and so does the gap was reduced in change in open interest. Well, this is indicating that tomorrow also they are not expecting big move. If this change in open interest picture changes, then definitely Nifty is going to reverse the direction. Now let's go for the Bank Nifty and do the Bank Nifty total open interest analysis first. If you see here, then here more call has been sold if you compare it with the put, and the difference is also almost 0.40 lakhs. So the difference is little bit huge, and it is indicating that Bank Nifty is expected to move down. Today's it has already moved down, thereafter it has just ended up 148 point positive, but tomorrow also this weekly picture may come into effect, means weekly picture is saying that Bank Nifty will go down. Now let's see the change in open interest of Bank Nifty and do the analysis. It is indicating today's picture. So today's more put has been sold compared to call. This total OI and change in OI, both pictures are contradictory picture. So total OI is saying that Bank Nifty will go down, and change in OI today it indicated that Bank Nifty will go up. This was heavier today. That's why Bank Nifty were able to move 148 points positively. But that was also not huge move because people are still seeing this total OI and they were afraid that this might take down the Nifty. So still fear is in the market. Bank Nifty might take a reversal. So let's see the tomorrow's market and find out where Bank Nifty goes. If you see here the total change in open interest and in open interest distribution of Nifty, then here you will be able to find out the support and resistance. That analysis of total change in open interest was saying the cumulative picture, but it didn't give us the particular points where support and resistance is. Here we'll be doing the analysis of open interest and we'll be finding out support and resistance. Here if you will see, then support is at 13,500 and it is support 1. And where is resistance? Well, resistance is at 14,000 and it is R1. So this resistance is huge, means people are expecting till this expiry Nifty will not move above 14,000. But still if you will see the support, then people are narrowing down their range. Many people are putting their bet that 13,500 will be the support, and they are also expecting that this 13,600 can also be the support, or 13,700 also can be support, because this open interest contract difference is less. If the difference is less, it means this support might move up. So definitely it is indicating that Nifty will move up only, but it will be below 14,000. Now let's do the change in open interest distribution analysis and find out Nifty support and resistance based on change in open interest. If you will see here, support is at 13,700. So that is the support 1. And where is resistance? Well, resistance 1 is here at 14,000. So resistance 1 for change in open interest and open interest is same. But if you see the support is little bit here and there. So support for the today's was 13,700. Well, it also indicates that tomorrow also it is expected to be the same support. Means tomorrow also the support can be at 13,700 if market doesn't go down. If market goes down, definitely then this support people, means whoever are investing or whoever are selling the position at 13,700 will take their position down. This is the range for the Nifty. If you see, it is only 300 points range. That's what I was telling you, means Nifty might move 300 to 400 points in a week. Now let's see the Bank Nifty open interest distribution, and we'll be finding out support and resistance based on this distribution. Then Bank Nifty support is at 29,500 and resistance is at 31,000. So this will be the range. Here if you will be seeing, then the difference between this open interest contract of R1 and R2 is not huge. Means people are still afraid that Bank Nifty might go up. In that case, what they are doing? Well, they are making the position here, as well as whoever thinks that Bank Nifty might go up, they are making the position at R2. So they are expecting that market might move up. But still, if you will see the total change in Y picture, then it was saying Bank Nifty will go down only. And this open interest picture is saying that Bank Nifty might go up. Which side wins? That we are going to find out in this week only. Now let's do the analysis of change in open interest and Bank Nifty, and we'll be finding out support and resistance based on this analysis. Then this is the support. Support is at 29,500 and resistance, well, resistance is at 32,000. So majority of the open interest contracts are at 32,000 if you see the today's market, but people are started to making new positions, means new contract positions of selling at 31,000 as well. But well, this cannot be R2. Why? Because R2 will be greater than that. Means R2 will be above 32,000. So this cannot be R2. Then what it is exactly? Means people are thinking that resistance will move further down at 31,000. That's what it indicates. Now let's go to the further and do the cash activity analysis of FIIs and DIIs, and we'll be finding out what they are thinking about the market. If you'll see the FII and DIIs analysis, DIIs are continuously selling. From November onwards, DIIs are selling. I'm continuously analyzing their data. So DIIs today also was selling and FIIs are buying. But if you'll be seeing here, then FII about 2,355 crore worth of stocks, and DIIs sold 2,494. It means DII sold more than what FII could buy. So where this difference has gone? Means why didn't market fall down? It means some of the difference has been compensated by other players, maybe some mutual fund or some traders or retail traders as well. Now let's go to the future and option analysis of FII and find out what FIIs are thinking about future and options. If you'll see here, in future FIIs are selling, in options FIIs are buying. Now let's move to the next and do our final support and resistance analysis. Now here first we'll be analyzing FII and DII trading activities. If we see the cash market, in cash market FIIs are continuously buying, DIIs are continuously selling, but FIIs are buying more than what DII could sell. That's why market is gaining. If you see the future and option market, here FIIs in future are selling month till date, and today also they sold. If you see the options, they're continuously buying month till date, and today also they were buying in options. Let's do the final support and resistance analysis and find out where support and resistance lies of Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you do the analysis, then here support is at 13,500 for Nifty and resistance is at 14,000, and Bank Nifty support is at 29,500 and resistance is at 32,000. So this is my support and resistance. Based on this analysis, I am taking daily trades and I am updating it on my Telegram channel as well. There I am posting my profit and loss of daily trades. I'm also giving there the positions, why I'm making any positions, why I'm squaring of the positions, what strategy I'm using. So if you are interested to see those trades, those profit and loss, definitely you should follow me on Telegram channel as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing this channel.